Hello everybody, and in my this video I'm going to tell you about how to choose your hosting provider and buy a good hosting in a very affordable price. So, let's start. First, let me open the browser, and after opening it, I will just go to the hosting providers. We have like GoDaddy, Hostinger, and Big Rock. I have one more which is I love is Hero Host. You can try this because it has a great price. Hero Host. Hero Host is Indian. Yeah. And let me open one more website baker. Websitebakers.com. Let's go to website bakers. No, it's not that website. Let me skip website bakers. Yeah, we have the four. Now let's go to the hosting. Hosting. We'll select hosting. Now there are many kinds of hosting. Now how to choose which hosting will be for you. Now, firstly, web hosting. Web hosting is of two to three kinds. First, let's go to the hosting. VPS hosting means you are getting 1 by 4 part of a computer as your hosting. Yes, this is a powerful hosting, and dedicated server means you are getting the whole computer as your hosting. These hostings are good and expensive. Now let's move on to another. WordPress solutions. If you want to make a WordPress site, then you can choose WordPress hosting, or you can choose some other web hosting. Let me go to the web hosting, just find the web hosting. Yeah, this is the web hosting page, and here I can get web hosting page. There are too many kinds of web hosting. Now, let me tell you why there are different prices. Like, if we will go to 999 per month, we will get 2 256 MB RAM, one website, 30 GB storage capacity, one database, one click WordPress install. It's totally free. So it's not too good because we are getting too much less RAM. So if we will go to economy, we will get a standard performance means good RAM, one website, 100 GB storage, 10 databases, treatment and everything. But if you will go to deluxe package, we get unlimited websites. It means we can create as much as websites we need, just we have to purchase the domain and connect with the hosting. We have unlimited storage, 25 databases, and it's good. And in this ultimate, we get everything ultimate. Or too much websites, ultimate databases, ultimate bandwidth. And this is the web hosting. It is good if you want to just start. Now let's go to business hosting of GoDaddy. Now we are on the business hosting, which is for business users. What is business hosting details? What about business hosting? Now, this is the business hosting. Business hosting is of three kinds. Shared hosting. Like shared hosting is like you are sharing storage with other people's on this computer where you are getting hosting. It is just slow, more low to moderate. But if you go to the business hosting, this is expensive, but you can view plans on the business hosting. And you can choose VPS. Let me view plans. Business hosting. No. So for launch, we get 60 GB storage, 2 GB RAM, 1 CPU, and unlimited websites, free SSL for all your website professionally, and we get this. But is this too much simple? See, you're getting too much, but for a very high cost. So on the last page, so you can see we have a VPS hosting option too for the business hosting. Now we can just get ease of use. VPS hosting is less because we have more controls, means more, we have to learn how to use VPS hosting. But it is just amazing price. Enterprise sites, we can create as much as sites we need. Now let's go to another kind of hosting, which is the reseller hosting. In reseller hosting, we get best value and long-term value. So in the best value, in the reseller hosting, you can in the reseller hosting, you can establish your own hosting service with this hosting. Like you will get some, like if you will take enhanced plan, so you will get two CPUs. You can divide this hosting into two hostings and sell it. It works like this. So I hope you understand this. Now let's go to any other platform. Like I will go to Hostinger. Hostinger has a deal Black Friday up to 70% off. So let's view this. Yeah. Single web hosting. This is shared. You can get, but I think this is good. You are getting 100 websites and 100 email accounts, unlimited monthly visits, and a free domain. Like you can get a .com domain, which is for free, and a less SSL for free. So this is too good. So this is too good. And for if you go to 219 per month, you will get 100 emails, 100 websites, and treatment monthly visit, and everything. Only a short difference. But I will suggest you, if you want to buy this 115 per month plan, including GST. Best web hosting. Let's try some others. Website builders. If you want to build your website with Zyros, then you can try this. This is based on dollars, and I hope we are not going to try this. So let me go to the hosting plans. Shared web hosting for small to medium websites. For large scale, WordPress hosting India. If you want to get traffic in India, you can get the WordPress hosting India. It's too good. And you can get the cloud hosting if you want to get your server on cloud. Cloud means if you can your files will be on cloud, and if somebody is visiting your server from New York, then you will connect from New York server, and if somebody will connect from India, then it will be connected to India server. So if in shared hosting and VPS hosting, our servers are on a fixed place, and if somebody is connect, we have servers in Russia and somebody is connecting to from India, he has to connect his signals to Russia, and if somebody is connecting to London, he has to connect to Russia. So this is the case. Now let me do cloud hosting for large scale. Now let's see the how much deals they have for cloud hosting. Yeah, I told you that it's expensive. You can get up to 300 websites, unlimited bandwidth, 100 GB of SSD, 3 GB RAM, 2 CPU cores, free SSL and domain. And this is more professional one and more expensive one. And you can try the Google Cloud one, Cloud Global. You can try these. It's totally depends on your that what do you want. So there are many more things you can buy. Now let me show you some other. WordPress hosting India. If you want some basic website for WordPress hosting India, and you want Indian traffic and WordPress. So let's see what deals they have. Yeah, the 99 per month gives you 100 websites, 100 email accounts, 20 GB SSD storage, and a lot more. You are getting a lot for just 999. So if you want WordPress, then you can try this only for India. Okay. Now let's go to other hosting platform. Now let's move on to the VPS hosting. In the VPS hosting, you get VPS servers. Now, what are VPS servers? With VPS 1, you get 1 GB RAM, VPS 2, you get 2 GB RAM, 20 GB, 40 GB. This is just like you are buying a smartphone. It is just the same. I hope you understood the VPS hosting. This is for large scale websites. If you have a big website, if you want to run a big website. Minecraft hosting is just made by hosting. Now let's try the Minecraft. It's expensive. It's based like Minecraft, and it's literally expensive. I will not suggest you buying this. Now let's go to Big Rock. Big Rock hosting. Now in the Big Rock we get some other kinds of hosting. Windows hosting and Linux hosting. Let me tell you what is the difference between them. In the Windows hosting, your the computer which you are getting for hosting your website runs on Windows OS, and in the Linux it runs on Linux. Now what is the difference? Difference is when you are using the Linux, you get more security because Linux is an unhackable operating system, and you know Windows security, how Windows works. So this is actually the same. Get hosting, shared hosting. If you want shared hosting, now let's me go to the shared Linux hosting. Let me try this. Web hosting, Linux hosting at PHP. Yeah, we got this. This is a Linux hosting, 99 per month. Host one website. The host you can view host one website, 20 GB storage, 100 GB transfer, free SSL, 5 emails. This is the one you get. Now if you want in India, your traffic is coming in India, then it will ask you for more cost. Actually, because the Indian servers are more expensive, because the servers in India are limited, and US there are more and more servers. I hope you understand. Now let's go to Windows hosting. If you want Windows hosting, let's talk about it. Windows. Windows hosting. Now you can see the plans. Location will be like this. Now let me switch to Indian hosting. Now the price definitely got extremely changed. Now from 999, if you are in India, 20 GB storage, 100 GB transfer, free SSL certificate. It's too important. 5 emails, untreated emails, free SSL certificate, untreatment transfer, untreated space. So it's too good actually. Actually, it's too good. You can buy this as your wish. Uh, you will ask me if you want to buy US hosting. The speed of your site will be slow. Yes, it will be slow because you have to connect to US again and again. And let's go to the reseller hosting if you want to resell hosting. Let me go to the Linux reseller hosting. In the Linux reseller hosting, you get this things. It's expensive because it's reseller. Actually, it will be 50 GB space, 1000 GB transfer, 15 cPanel accounts. cPanel is your control panel, that it means that 15 accounts you can run with this. Unlimited websites, free SSL, free WebEx, and this much. Choice is yours, literally yours. Now let's go to the Windows reseller hosting. In the Windows reseller hosting, you get this. This is a little. Now let's go to the Indian server. It's now a little bit expensive. 50 GB space, 200 GB transfer, unlimited websites, free SSL certificate. Yeah, you get this. Let's go to another hosting, WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting, we have seen of hosting. Let's see there. Yeah, WordPress Basic. It is expensive in hosting. No, it's not expensive in Hostinger. It's expensive in Big Rock because Big Rock is too big. Now let's talk about Hero Hosty, the Indian hosting platform. In the Hero Hosty, it is powerful. Now let me go to the hosting. Shared hosting. Let me go to the shared hosting. It is amazing. An amazing price you get. 50 rupees per month. 2 GB SSD. SSD is too good than HDD. And in this SSD, you get a lot more storage. One website you can run, and all this I have already explained. So, this is the way how to find the best hosting for your platforms. And let me tell you, cloud hosting of UOC is a lot less expensive because the cloud hosting plan starting from 99 per month, 10 GB SSD. It's too less expensive. So I'm ending this video. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Signing out.